you people have given the permission, so I can start the at least my this program which I made at least yesterday and had been practicing for a long. So guys, are you ready or not? Please don't write over there anything else. If you write what will happen, it will show the scratches and all that I don't want. Okay, though I am going to disable your annotation and all. Yeah, so ready guys? So I want to know first, because you know my nature. Whenever I teach you people, I want my team members, I want you all members to be a part of this development session. मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग हमेशा इस डेवलपमेंट सेशन में रहे. लैंग्वेज इज नॉट द बैरियर, प्लीज ये ध्यान रखिएगा. कोशिश करना कि आप इंग्लिश में गलत बोले. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन आई फाइंड योर फीडबैक्स, because you can rise up when you get the feedback. And how, I will tell you today. So the topic which I have chosen, that is how to make the masterpiece out of your craft. What is this? Is your craft. So how you can make the masterpiece, how you can make it better. This is the body which has been gifted by the God, by parents. You do lots of gratitudes, you give plenty of gratitudes to the teachers, to parents, to God. But have you ever felt the body, the craft which has been gifted by the God, parents, teachers? Have you made the masterpiece out of your craft? So how you make the masterpiece of masterpiece out of your craft? Who can tell me? Can somebody tell me that how you can make the masterpiece of your craft? Sorry. Can somebody tell me? Raise the hand so at least I can. How to make the masterpiece out of your craft? And this topic I always tell in my regular session also, but it is something different, because I have look, whenever I teach you something, I have taken the research. It's not so that I'm throwing that. I have taken the research, I have made it, and I believe that you all will understand how I make it happen. I do it, I make it happen. If you people feel that yes, you can tell me the answer, you can raise your hand, so at least I can ask you. Otherwise, we will head over to next topic and we will learn another topic also. But first, I want you people to understand how you make the masterpiece out of your craft. Craft, physical body, intellectual body. So I want that. Can anybody tell me how to make the masterpiece out of your craft? Raise the hand. So at least I would raise the hand. It means not. Yeah, who can tell me that? Raise the hand so at least I will understand how you people make the masterpiece out of your craft. And please stay tuned. I will tell you, and there are lots of things you will understand today, and you would feel, oh my gosh, this was the thing which I was missing. If I had done 3 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I wouldn't have needed to work from today. But now again I'm to start. So can somebody tell me? No? So we must go for the topic, at least what I have asked you about. Acha, Pale sir has raised the hand. Fine. Pale sir, tell me. Just wait, hold on. Yeah, Pale sir. Could you unmute yourself? Yeah.
Sir, masterpiece is nothing but that piece which can we make from masterpiece, which we can make another products. It is like that. So
okay.
It is like that. We have to find out that masterpiece from our work, whatever we are doing.
Good. Okay, fine. Except Palliser. Can somebody? I think I mostly start the batch 11:15, so most of the people have started coming now. Today I have started a bit early, and I apologize. Most of the times I wait for you. That's why. Okay, Samyak sir, you want to speak? Yes. Okay, Samyak sir, please. I feel very happy that most of the people have started the video. That's very good.
Sir, if you want to be a masterpiece in some work, we have to practice daily. So so that we can do that work very perfectionly.
Okay, fine. So
Thank you.
on the miss, after listening to the Samyat sir, we should head over to the topic, because he has told that we have to practice. Now I have got the another question which I want to ask you. My time? Yeah. Does practice make a man perfect? It is said that practice makes a man perfect. I have written a person because I don't believe in this quote which has been spoken by, I do not know, but does it is said that practice makes a man perfect? Why not a woman? Do women uh, do women miss, do something or not? So that quote which was said by somebody that practice makes a man perfect, I don't believe. But even I have written practice makes a person perfect. So does really practice make a man perfect? I want to know. Let me, acha, Pale sir, again, yeah. Yeah, Pale sir, I want you to speak, please. Yeah, unmute yourself, please. You speak.
Yes, sir. Practice definitely makes a person perfect, because there is nothing without a habit. If you
Okay,
develop a habit, it is the practice.
okay, fine. Good.
And if you
And
practice, a particular thing, then you will be master of that.
fine. So except Palace sir, you can mute yourself. It would be good because
Yep. Yeah.
yeah, thank you. So except Palace sir, now who wanna tell me that does practice make a person perfect? Oh, no, let me show you the practice. This is the practice. Okay, two participants have raised the hand. Chetan Vedya and Palace sir again. Palace sir, I think he has done. Okay, Chetan Vedya sir. Yeah, Chetan sir, you can please.
uh, Practice make man perfect is the definitely true answer in
Okay,
our human being or in daily life. But even we do practice some easier mistakes which happens, we correct that mistake, even do more perfect work rather than previous work. And
okay,
mistake get ultimately eliminated by practicing, and most sorted desired work obtained by us.
okay, fine. Fine. And somebody else wanna tell me? Look, this is a practice which everybody does, even from a small child up to the growing personality, up to the youth and old age person also does. Then another option happens, practice becomes a bit bigger, and at last it becomes biggest. You know what do I mean to say? Does practice make a man perfect? This is also first start the first round where is written practice, second also practice, third also practice. You have been practicing like this, but if it is the wrong practice, will you be perfect? You will be perfect in making lots of mistakes, but you will not be perfect in those things which you really want, which you have got the burning desire. And then practice never makes anybody perfect. This is the answer. Practice never makes anybody perfect. If you think yes, practice makes everybody perfect, wrong. So what makes you perfect? Like I have been standing opposite you people, and I have been training you people to understand the concept of spoken English, public speaking, communication skills, group discussion, personal interview. So I have been good at these all things. Why? Just because of practicing? No. Practice never makes anybody perfect. So what makes you perfect? That is that is deliberate. What? Deliberate practice. Deep practice. When you do something regularly, constantly, and deliberately, and that is the practice. Deliberate means you do something consciously, you do it regularly, you do it intentionally, you do it while being careful. You do it without being unhurried. When you are not hurried, when you do something consciously, जब भी आप जल्दबाजी में नहीं है, consciously सतर्कता से काम कर रहे हैं, while being careful सावधानी से कर रहे हैं, while being constant निरंतरता से कर रहे हैं, रेगुलरली कर रहे हैं, प्रतिदिन कर रहे हैं, then that makes you perfect.